Okay, let's take a look at something interesting that happens when we have the integral of both sides, the indefinite integral, or the antiderivative in this case of both sides. Indefinite integrals and antiderivatives are the same thing. So we write y plus c. So we do the antiderivative. We do the antiderivative of dy is y. So you do the y plus c. On the other side, you get the antiderivative of x dx, which is 1/2 x squared, plus, I just picked a different letter for this constant. I already have a c here, so I put a d on this side. And I get y equals 1/2 x squared plus d minus c. I'm subtracting c from both sides. Now here's the thing to realize. This whole thing, this d minus c thing, that's just some other constant. So let's say that d was 7 and c was 5, then d minus c is just 2. So the point is you don't need to put both constants. D minus c is just some third constant. So we usually just, instead of confusing the issue too far, we usually just write this as c. So when we do the antiderivative of both sides, we actually only do the plus c to one side because that'll just make it a slightly different constant. So you can write a plus c and a plus d on both sides and then simplify and end up with some other constant, but you don't need to because these two constants will combine into some other constant. So you can just write this as y equals 1/2 x squared plus c.